Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. This is episode 29 of AG's Everywhere, where we go to different stores that aren't American Girl store and find things that are appropriate for a teenage dolls. I know I haven't made this type of video in a while, so it was long overdue. And during this time of the year, a lot of stores are having Christmas themed items, fall themed items. So I will be posting more AG's Everywhere in the coming weeks. Today I was actually planning to go to Joann's, but it turns out that Joann's by me is permanently closed, and the closest one now is 40 minutes away, which is not ideal. So I decided to go to Dollar Tree, and it did not disappoint. And by the way, if you're new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content, but not yet subscribed, I definitely recommend doing so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. In the front area of my store, there were several new candle holders for tea light candles. Look, these are reindeer. They kind of unusual. I can definitely see these being used as a part of dollhouse decor, as a base for a craft to make into a dollhouse decor. So this is a Christmas tree. I don't know, you could like add things to it, attach things to it. Ribbons, bows, floral pieces. Oh, and look at this adorable gnome. I do love gnomes, so cute. And that's a gingerbread house and a snowman. And these, I don't know what these are. I guess it's a snow globe or a light. I don't know, but it just looks so pretty. And there's a switch on the bottom too. So more holders for tea light candles. These are glass and they're very pretty. I think you could use them for flower arrangements for a dollhouse. You could also fill them up with acorns or pine cones, and I think that will look really, really cute. This is another candle holder. Also cute, can be a vase, another vase. Mini pumpkins. You can see these are tiny, and there are some that are a bit larger. My store didn't have a lot of pumpkins left. I know they had much more, but you know, things sell out. Now let's take a look at this lantern. This is a really cool one. I like the design. I think it would look so cool in Cubby's room, or you know, any room for that matter. Now let's see more candle holders, candle jars. I don't know what they call this. One's so cool. It kind of reminds me of mermaid scales. Just take off that leaf and it's good to go. There are more of them. This one looks like a honeycomb pattern. What else we got? Well, we got more pumpkins. These are larger pumpkins, so one pumpkin is $1.25, and they come in all kinds of different patterns. This one has a flower on top, definitely very decorative. This one's more of a realistic one. Now, my Dollar Tree is fully stocked on Christmas stuff. There are these ornaments. So these are kind of on the small side, and you get 15 ornaments. They still, in my opinion, a little bit too big for American Girl doll Christmas tree. Here are larger ornaments that are 12, a pack of 12, and these are even larger, and they come in a pack of 5. I honestly think the larger ones definitely not for American Girl dolls, but it really depends what kind of tree you are decorating for your dolls, because in real life, some trees are huge. Now, we got Christmas trees this year, the same ones as we did last year. They come in 2 colors, green and white. And honestly, these trees are okay because they're so cheap, but in my opinion, they are a bit scrawny. So 2 years ago, we fluffed them up. There is a craft tutorial on our channel. I'll put the link to it in the description box below, so you can fluff up your Christmas tree too. Now let's take a look at these bat wings. They are meant for pets, but you can absolutely use them for your American Girl doll. You can make her a bat costume. You can make her a vampire costume. So many options. Now let's take a look at all this Christmas stuff. So much stuff, and there's so many ways to use these items. They are decorative items. So you can decorate your dollhouse with them any way you want. You see Christmas ornaments? These are smaller than the ones I showed you before. These are actually tiny. I think there's 16 of them, right? These are the ones to go with for your 18-inch dolls. And there's several colors. And each color comes with kind of shiny and more matte finish. Now look at all these cute items. And there's Santa. You can hang it as a wreath. This is a beautiful, beautiful large snowflake, which also can be used as a wreath for an 18-inch doll door. More gnomes. I think we had the same gnomes last year. All right, so here are the Christmas ornaments I told you before. Look at this beautiful, beautiful rose color. This one's coming home with me. The other ones I don't really need. Except maybe I'll do some crafts with them. Maybe I'll paint them. Okay, so more Christmas ornaments. Look at this cute snowman. This is a snowman, right? Yeah. So these ornaments, these are booties. They have this plastic thing inside that's pretty horrible, but if you manage to remove it, they can be pretty nice shoes for your 18-inch dolls. And they're like soft boots, a lot like warm socks. This one says Noël, which is Christmas in French. Very cute. More ornaments. We got these packs, 4 packs of mini gnomes. Also really cute. Very appropriate for 18-inch dolls size-wise. And here's some larger gnomes. These are $1.25 each. Yeah, they are pretty large. I personally don't need one, but they are showing up in stores. They're bows and they're plaid, and then there are these things. What are they called? Doorknob hanger. So they can be used as wreaths. Very cute, very festive colors. These are larger bows and smaller bows in different colors. Again, that's up to you how you plan to decorate your dollhouse. These things, I think these are either chocolate molds or ice cube molds. And I think they actually would be nice to use as molds for clay to make cookies for 18-inch dolls. I'm not planning to get them, but I think that would be a good craft. You'll just need to look up what to use so that the clay wouldn't stick to the bottom. And here's some more shapes. Again, I don't need these, so I'm going to pass. Let's see what else we got. Okay, these tins are actually quite fantastic for making an American Girl mini fridge. Look at that. So easy, $1.25, so cheap. If you were looking for one, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to show you to make a craft video how to make one, because I really wanted a mini fridge for my dolls, but I didn't really want to pay the price for the World by Us mini fridge. Look at this headband with a Santa hat. This also can be turned into a doll size headband. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that tutorial as well. Oh, Santa hat with trolls on it. The trolls, I guess, are really popular. My store had a bunch of plushies, and they were different plushies, not just these. Look, there's a gingerbread plushie, very cute, very soft. We don't really need more plushies in our house, and the teddy bears too. So if your dolls don't have enough plushies, get them at Dollar Tree. These are leftovers from Halloween decor. I wish I made this video 2 months ago because there were more Halloween items, but there's still some left. Look at these mini pumpkins. I'm not super impressed with the glitter. These are Halloween ornaments for a Halloween tree, which according to some people were sold at Dollar Tree. I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree. I actually have been to my Dollar Tree in the last 2 months. They didn't have them. Now these home decor items supposedly light up. There are light switches on the bottom, but they're missing batteries, so I don't know what they really do. These nutcrackers, if you wanted one, I would run to your Dollar Tree and get them now. They sell out so fast. So these are all the varieties that my Dollar Tree carried. I know from previous years that they sell out. They sell out not immediately, but really, really fast. And I bought them already, so I'm not buying any more this year. More gnomes. These are actually for mini Christmas village, and some of them are appropriate for 18-inch dolls as toys for them. What else we got? Christmas stockings. These are a little bit too big for American Girl dolls, but if you're lazy and don't want to craft them, they will work. Cute Christmas tree, kind of small. This is a tiny Christmas tree that these are meant for Christmas village. These are a little bit larger and they look fantastic. I actually really, really like them. I think I saw similar ones maybe at Target last year. Maybe. I love how they have this fake snow. So cute. Here's some more Christmas trees, and they're way too small to use as the main Christmas tree for your dollhouse. But as little extras, maybe on top of a fireplace, I think they would do just fine. Here are some more mini trees, and these are teeny tiny ones. This is kind of a Christmas craft supply section. There are small bells. There are all kinds of Christmassy craft supplies that you can turn into a Christmas craft for your dolls. The snowflakes are kind of cute. I personally don't need any of these, but I just wanted to show them what they had in case you have a craft project in mind. Now we're in a toy section. Here's some food. The items are kind of large for 18-inch dolls, but I still thought I'd show them to you. They almost fit. Like the bottle is a good size. Everything else is a little bit too big. So here's a tea set. Dollar Tree used to have them in a different color, but that's what they are now. Here are mini collectible figurines, and your dolls can be collecting some of them. This time my Dollar Tree was fully stocked on these mini bathtubs that work perfectly for little bitty babies. There were 2 colors, a pink one and a teal one. Oh look, I got Patrick minifigurine. Okay, if they have a SpongeBob one, they are both coming home with me. If they don't, Patrick is staying. Yeah, Patrick stayed. Now, I wanted to show you something. This is a hair extension pack. And if you were thinking about getting them for your dolls or even for your kids, honestly, don't. I made this mistake. The quality is horrible. I know it's only $1.25, but trust me, these are really, really bad. This guitar works great for 18-inch dolls. My Dollar Tree usually has them in stock. Now these frying pans, I'm going to say they are a little large for 18-inch dolls, but they can still work if you're not going for too much realism, like if you're buying them for your kids. Okay, we are in the section where some items are more expensive than $1.25. This is polymer clay. I'm really impressed that my Dollar Tree has it, although I personally prefer the one from Five Below. It's also $5, but I think you get more clay for the price. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you've tried Dollar Tree clay. These are mini tiles, and I think they're so cool. $3 for this tub. They came in different colors. I think they are amazing if you're decorating a doll kitchen or a bathroom. I wish there were more colors. I really like turquoise, so that would be my personal choice. But it's a great start. I'm hoping my Dollar Tree will get more of them. So here's this kind of wooden canvas, I guess. I don't know. You can paint on it. You can use it as a top for a table if you're planning to make one. Now I'm going to show you the craft section, and there are so many supplies that I'm just not going to refer to them individually. I am really impressed with the selection of the fabric in my Dollar Tree store. These are fat quarters. It's not a lot of fabric, but I think it's a perfect amount for doll clothes. My Dollar Tree also had these doorknobs, which again, you can use them as some sort of dollhouse decor. This is the craft aisle. There are a lot of craft supplies. I'm just not gonna mention them all, but these are just usual craft supplies. That's the wooden section, which I think is really great that Dollar Tree has it because everything's so cheap. Here are different yarns. This time there were no crochet hooks or needles for knitting. So that's a minus. Sometimes my Dollar Tree has them, and I think they should have them if they sell yarn. Now these baskets are really cute. They meant for little trinkets, but for dolls, these are like really big size baskets. I think you can craft some handles for them on each side if you want to, of course. They're perfectly fine to use the way they are. And my Dollar Tree had them in 3 different colors. Now here are some photo frames, some decor items, and these things are actually really cool. You can peel them off and stick on to different surfaces. So this could be flooring for your dollhouse, which I think looks really cool. And there are different patterns, different styles. There are also these, they also stick onto surfaces. This one is probably my favorite. I really like it, but I have no use for it. I found some hair rollers in the hair section. I think they might be useful for curling doll hair. They do look a little bit large to me. These, I don't know. I don't know how these will work with doll hair because they're kind of spiky. But the foam ones, I think they should definitely work, and I am actually putting them in my basket today. I'll let you know how they worked out. I'm going to show you a few hair items that could be found in the hair care aisle. Dollar Tree always has a lot of different small hair clips, and sometimes they have mini scrunchies, all kinds of stuff that you can use for your dolls. And this is about it. This is all I wanted to share with you today. Let me know in the comments if you plan to buy any of the items I just shared with you. And also let me know if there are items that I didn't show you today, but that you saw in your Dollar Tree that are great for teenage dolls. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl content but not yet subscribed to our channel, I definitely recommend doing so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.